Hello, I'm Marlene from the Greenville Public Library. I'm the adult programmer and the outreach. Since it's approaching Christmas time, I have a craft that you could use and would be very easy to do for Christmas on the Christmas ornaments. So what I have is I've taken the clear ornaments and take the top off of it and take some of the, you have to have some of the mopping glow. You take some and you put it inside your ball. You take it and you pour it inside of it, and you take it and you swish it around till it's covered the whole inside of the ornament, and you'll have a little bit of bubbles in it, but that's okay. And then take it and get it all the way around, and then pour out the excess amount. Just take the ornament, and I have some glitter that I'm going to use. Take the funnel again, and you can take the glitter and pour it inside, and then take your ball and just keep turning and turning and turning until it completely covers, and just roll it around and around and around. Go all the way to the top. And sometimes you add a little more glitter to it. And just keep going all the way around until it completely covers it, and then shake out any excess amount. Now you've got an ornament that you colored yourself in the glitter, and then all you have to do is just take the top part and put it back on again, and it makes a real pretty ball. I did it in a blue and a red. And then also I had some seashells, and what I done was I took a little bit of the mopping glow and I poured it in and just kind of went around the bottom of it a little bit. And then actually I took some Epsom salt and I put it in the bottom of this one. And you can also, with the Epsom salt, you can also color it with a little bit of food coloring and make it any color you want it. And just take it and kind of sprinkle some in. To where it looks like a little bit of snow on the bottom. And then I took some of the seashells that I had and placed it inside where they're real pretty, and then put the lid back on the top of it. And then what I ended up with was the seashells in the bottom of it that looks like it's got sand in it. So that's a really easy craft that you could do with all colors of glitter, and all you need are the glitter, the balls, and the Muffin Glow to go on the inside. Thank you.